not be fun for me anymore. Like, I also enjoy building computers and water cooling them, but if I did that for work, I think it would become a source of like stress. So I think I'm gonna keep it this way for now. But who knows? Maybe. Like, it would be really cool if I could do like hobby full time, but I don't know if that's where I'm headed. Tried posting photos and someone was discard, but the photos are too vague. Well, I mean, if it's the size of like a Gundam, but you do have like the photos from your phone, so at least there's that. Yeah, if you want to see Adam's entry for the World Championship. So thank you for the song requests. Big fans of Otto here. Exporting some smaller files. Okay, good luck. Yeah, I need like the same mindset as Jojo here, apparently, of not buying a new kit until I've finished the ones that I'm working on. Thanks for the follow. I think my mindset is just that, like, I started back up with model kits during the pandemic. Mari, hey, how's it going? I got back into Gunpla in the pandemic because I was like, this is a good stay-at-home hobby. I didn't have anything better to do. And my thinking was, the plastic won't go bad if I could just buy it and work on it later, right? How's it going, Mari? Are you into modeling or Gundam at all? You're totally welcome to geek out with us about any of the above. But it's nice to see you. I did not get that nub as well as I was hoping I would. Yeah, I hope you all are having a good evening, and I appreciate the company. It's nice to have all these friends to hang out with. Okay. Took today off from work, and it's been a really nice day. Nice. I love that.